Okay, welcome to all again. Now I am going to discuss about how to work on a layer style or layer effects. So earlier people are used to talk about layer style. So what I am going to do now? First thing I am going to draw a shape. So now you can select layer style from here. So what I am saying taking layer stroke. So now you can see that everything in a stack order. So it will work only stack order. Here I am lot of other layer strokes are there. I am deleting that. Okay. So now if I click this one, the right side is changing. If I click inner glow, then I am deselecting this. Then this is deselected. Then click here, it is selected. So I am deselecting this. So now I am selecting stroke. Stroke properties will display on the right side. You can see the thumbnail preview also. Okay. So what I am going to do now? This is a stroke color. I can select the stroke color like this. You can increase the stroke color. So people will very thin stroke color. They will take it 2 or 3. The maximum 1 or 2 or 3. That is just where people will do. But for the training purpose, I am making bigger, so you can understand. So one thing is here. I am making bigger. What it is here? I am saying inside. So what is inside means okay. You can go off here. You can click the stroke. The size of this shape is this, and the stroke will come inside. Okay, this is a better way to work on that. So then I'm going again, double clicking here. Again it will, sorry, double click on the FX will open. So I'm again clicking there. Here inside I'm changing to outside. Okay, so what it is, when you select, you can, the stroke is same, it is outside, but one major change was happened. So you look at the corner. So again, I'm clicking, double clicking here the effects. So again, I'm clicking on the stroke. You can see the rounded corner is come because it is come outside. Then I'm selecting again inside, not inside, sorry, center. So half will inside and half is outside. How can you see that? Just click on this. So half pixel is outside, half pixel is inside. Double click again on the effects panel will open. You can see that, sorry, you can see that the same effect here also. So this is the way you need to understand stock is working on inside and outside, and I am ready to move little bit here. You can, I'm saying better to work on inside so you can get a better control. Outside may the shape will change and everything will change. Okay, that is a one thing. So if you want more modification to know about this same thing, just do one thing. Alt and drag these three objects in a row. Then change here effects, you can change it and change it to one stroke. So I'm deselecting inner glow. Change to one is inside, outside. Another one you can set to inside. Center. Okay, one is, this one is outside, another is center and inside. Okay, this one is inside. So I think you clearly understood what is mean by stroke inside and outside. Don't do any much complication on this because every time these effects will use the stroke. Now I am drawing another one object. But there is no layer style on this. If you want to immediately copy this, just click here and, sorry, click on the this layer style and copy the layer style. Then click here. I right click here, right click, paste the layer style. So the same layer style is pasted here. So if you want to clear this, just do one thing: select, right click, clear the layer style. So I think this is clear. You can stroke what is mean by a stroke, what is inside, what is outside. then what is center, then corner, there is anti-alias will happen. And next one I talked about how to copy a layer style and paste a layer style. So that's all about. Please practice this. You can easily understand about what is meant by a layer style. I'll go to the next session. Thank you for watching.